I'll make a quick video for you guys about the rare tires on these cars. Like, for some reason, these cars, they have uneven tire wear in the back that made a whoop 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 sound that sounds like a wheel bearing, but it's not a wheel bearing. It seems to be common with TLs, because if you look it up online, there seems to be a lot of TLs with the same issue, where the uneven tire wear. So most of the time, we replace the wheel bearings on the car, thinking it's the rear wheel bearings, and it's not really the rear wheel bearings, it's the tires. So if you hear like a whoop 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 sound coming from the back, take it to the tire shop and get them to check the tires, the back tires. Get them to check both sides, because sometimes it's the left side, sometimes it's the right side. So take it to the tire shop, let them check it. And you know what I'm saying, it's not just me. I've had a couple other cars here, especially a Type S, that came in and had the same fucking problem. And as soon as I told him, like, yo, it was the tires, he was rest assured, and he was happy that, it was just the tires, and once he replaced the tires, that the noise would go away. I'm pretty much sure that the noise would go away, because the noise is gonna go away when you replace the actual tire itself. If it doesn't go away when you replace the tire, then it is the wheel bearing. But in most of the cases, it's the tire. It's the rear tires. For some reason, it's something with the alignment in the back of the car or whatever. It's not perfect on these cars, so it cuts the tire uneven. But if you have any questions, feel free to ask. But if you have that sound and you're driving down the road, and if it wasn't just me, I had a couple other TLs that was here and they had the same issue, and it turned out to be the tires. So if you hear that whoop 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 sound when you're driving, check the back tires. Take it to a tire shop, a good tire shop, and let them check the thread on the tires. Make sure the tire's cutting evenly. And that's about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. That's it.